In this video, we are going to create public IP address and public IP prefix. Alright, I am on the Azure portal. Let's go ahead and create the public IP. Public IP addresses, that is the one that we're gonna select. Create public IP address. Let's go ahead and select our subscription, resource group, Australia East, and you can give some good name, something like a workload PIP, something like that. IPv4, you can go with IPv6 as well. Basic and standard, we discussed the difference. Let's go with the standard. Zone redundant, regional and global, we discussed the difference, right? And we say that this is going to be static, right? When you select basic, then you can do dynamic and basic, right? Let's go ahead with standard one at this stage. What is the next thing? What kind of protection that you would like to apply? I think in our case, let's keep that one disabled, but this is again something advanced networking concept, right? So let's not bother about this one at this stage. Actually, let's keep it disabled and let's say review and create. All right, so we will be having the public IP that we can allocate to some workload, and we know that what are the different workloads where we can assign the public IP, right? We discussed that as part of the deck, right? So let's make sure that we say that public IP here. Sometimes it takes time to pop up on the screen. You know, Azure portal is sometimes too slow. Let's wait. All right, now you can see that that's the public IP we got, right? We can assign this public IP to any workload that supports, and you know, you can access anywhere in the world. That is how public IP work, right? Let's go ahead and try public IP prefixes, and let's see what kind of things we see here. Okay, let's select the work group. In this case, let's name my workload prefixes, IP prefixes, something. Let's put in the Australia East. In this case as well, we select IPv4, Microsoft own, and this is where you can bring your own, right? That is how it is. You just select the sites and basically add the prefix there, right? Let's go ahead with Microsoft own, and we just interested in basically the two public IP address, right? That is what we want, regional and Microsoft network, and you don't need anything more than that to create the prefix, right? That means you're getting two IP addresses at the same time when you create this one. Actually, that's the difference between public IP addresses and the public IP prefix. You can see that this is what you got here, right? So you got the two IP addresses. That's it. Now you know, you can allocate to the supported workload. It's not something you can just make use of it just like that, right? No, you have to allocate these IP addresses to something and then basically you would be in a position to access. That's all.